Hey guys, and welcome back. How are you doing? Hope you guys are having a good day. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you my Sephora store tour. I'll show you whatever new they have at stores. Let's see what new gift sets they have at stores. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Definitely thumbs up the video in case you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. I post a lot of shopping videos on this channel. For now, let's get started. They had this display here for Urban Decay X Robin Eisenberg collection. So this collection have this Naked X Robin eyeshadow palette. I think this palette is really pretty. I love the color story. This is here for 54. Also, this collection have this good to go mini holiday set as well for 25. It includes travel size of eyeliner, travel size of mascara, and travel size of eyeshadow primer. All of these products are really good from them. Also, this collection have this set here as well, more for you holiday set for 42. It includes two full sizes of Urban Decay setting mist. I love this setting mist as well from them. For Briogeo, they had these shampoo and conditioner sets here. So they had this apple matcha plus kale one, and also this one banana plus coconut, and mango plus cherry as well. You get full size of shampoo and conditioner in these, and these are here for 49. Original value is 60. I love their shampoos and conditioners. For youth to the people, they had this set here. It has all mini sizes of products included. You get a face wash, facial serum, moisturizer, facial oil, and also eye cream, and comes with exfoliating treatment as well. This set is here for 55. Great if you want to give their skincare a try. I think their skincare is pretty good. For Say, they had this new set here, Glowy Super Gel Holiday Kit for 22. It has limited edition Warm Glow highlighter and also their original Star Glow as well. This set is here for 22. You get two mini sizes. And these blushes from them looked super pretty for 25 each. Love the colors. For Rare Beauty, they had these new sets here. So this one is Perfect Strokes Eye Essential Set. It has full size of mascara and full size of liquid eyeliner included. I love her mascara. And this set is here for 28. Also, they had this Kind Words Mini Matte Lip Duo as well for 20. In the shade Humble, you get a mini lip liner and mini lipstick. Then they had this set here as well, Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. It was sold out. It has 3 different liquid blushes included, one full size as well. This is an amazing set from her. I love her liquid blushes. For Tatcha, they had this new set here. It has full size of water cream included, and mini size of clarifying clay mask, and mini size of deep cleanser. This set is here for 74. And they had this set here as well, Overnight Recovery Duo. It has a full size of Indigo Overnight Repair Cream and mini size of lip mask. This set is here for 88. Then they had these little sets here as well for 27. It has mini size of Dewy Skin Cream and mini size of Rice Wash Cleanser. And they had this little set as well for 25. You get mini size of water cream and mini size of deep cleanser. And then on another store of Sephora, I found this Protect Plus Prime Trio as well. It has full size of liquid silk primer included, and mini size of sunscreen and mini size of silk powder. This set is there for 72. For Dior, they had these new lipsticks here for Holiday 2022 for 42 each, and these are the shades they had for these, in a lot of beautiful shades. Also, they had this cream lipstick here as well. So this is New Rouge Dior Forever lipstick for 42 as well, and this one also comes in a lot of different shades. And also for Dior 2022 holiday collection, they had this set here for 50. It has 4 different shades of mini sizes of lipsticks included. For YSL, they had only this set here on display. This is here for 45. You get 2 mini lipsticks and 1 full size of a lipstick balm as well. And that's how the packaging is. For Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, they had this new display here for Holiday 2022 collection. So this is Glossy Pose Volume 5 set. It has 3 full sizes of gloss bomb included in really gorgeous shades, and this set is here for only 38. Really good price. Also, they had this set here, Baby Warts Mini Fluid Freestyle Highlighter Duo for 22, and that's how the packaging is on this one. And they had this double cheeked up freestyle cream blush duo as well for 34. It has two different cream blushes included, and the size is pretty good for these blushes. And also they had the fill semi matte lipstick as well for 20. You have to purchase the case separately for 12, and these are the shades they had for these lipsticks. And they had this display here as well for Fenty Beauty for Gloss Bomb Heat, and there is a new shade as well, Lemon Lava, and these are here for 24 each. These are pretty good. For Elia, they had this new set here, Elia the Lips Set. This one have a full size of reviving lip balm, and also mini size of lip balm, and also lip treatment as well. Here you can see the products you get in this one, and this set is here for 46. Also from them they had this set here as well, and they had this set here as well, Elia the Eyes Set for 56. It has a full size limitless lash mascara, full size clean line liquid liner, mini liquid powder chromatic eye tint, and mini liquid powder matte eye tint. And this set is here for 56, $82 of value. And this set was new to me. It's available only Sephora inside of Kohl's. So this is here for 34. And this set is fantastic. You guys, you get a full size of Elia mascara, and also on the back you can see you get Fenty Beauty by Rihanna gloss bomb, and also Grande Cosmetics lash serum for 4 week supply, and also Natasha Denona baby retro palette, and Rare Beauty soft pinch liquid blush as well. Only the mascara is full size, rest all are minis, but I think it's an amazing set. For Too Faced, they had this new super cute Yummy Gummy limited edition makeup collection here. I think the packaging is adorable on this one. This set is here for 42. You get lip injection lip balm in Yummy Bear, and also all of these eyeshadows, 8 different eyeshadows, and looks like you also get a blush. Comes with a mirror, and this set also includes a makeup bag as well, and that's how the packaging is. And also from them they had this Christmas bake shop here as well for 54. We have seen this at Ulta. This collection have a mini size of Better Than Sex mascara and three different palettes. So these are the palettes it includes. I think the shades are really good. I love Too Faced. Whatever they do, I love it. And also they had this display here for Huda Beauty. So this is Empowered palette, new from her. The shades are gorgeous on this one. You also get 2 hybrid gel liners as well in this palette. And this palette is here for 67. Also, recently she have introduced cheeky tint blush sticks as well for 25, and these comes in a lot of gorgeous shades. I love all of these 5 shades. Really pretty. And they had this new set here for Sephora at Kohl's for 32. It has full size of Rare Beauty lip gloss included, and full size of lip plumper from Milk. Also it includes Afterglow lip shine from NARS, and also Tarte Maracuja juicy lip in rose. These are mini sizes. And from Milk they had this set here for only 22. This is an amazing set. It has 3 full sizes of products included, bronzer and lip plus cheek tint, and also highlighter. These are full sizes, and also comes with mini size of mascara. I think this is an amazing set for only 22. They also had these sets here for Peter Thomas Roth. If you guys are interested, they had this one here for 75. You can see the products you get in this one. Looks like you get two full sizes of products. Also, they had this one here for 58. You get a moisturizer and water drench hyaluronic cloud hydra gel patches as well for 58. Also, they had this mask set as well. You get four different masks in this one for 58. Also, they had this new set here from Laneige for 21. It has a lip glossy balm in berry fruits and also a lip sleeping mask in mango for 21, as I said. Also, they had this set here from Dry Bar. It has a straightener, dry shampoo, and finishing spray, and also prime and prep detangler. This set looks really great, and this is here for 179. For hair care, they had this new set here for only 32. It has full size of Amika hair care mask included and all of these products in minis. Everything in here looks amazing. You also get mini size of Olaplex as well. So this is number 3 hair perfector. I think it's really affordable. Also, they had this beauty blender dream just released at Sephora. These are here for 20 each, limited edition collection. Also, they had these eyelashes on display, iconic lashes and glue set. This is here for 22. It's a set. From one size, they just released this mascara for 25, and they have also released these point made waterproof liquid eyeliner pen in brown and blue shade, and these are here for 19 each. Also from Laneige, they had this lip sleeping mask trio here for 32. Looks like you get one full size and two minis. Pretty good sized, and I like this product from them. So this is it for today's video, you guys. I'll see you soon in my next one. Take care. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.